ದ್ವಿತೀಯ ಪಿ ಯು ಸಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಸಿ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ 1 2025-26ದ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ನೋಡಿ, ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಎನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹಾಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ. ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಎ ಕ್ವಶನನ್ನು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸಿಂದ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಇನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ನೋಡಿ, B is the answer. Third, A is the answer. Fourth, D is the answer. Fifth here, correct match. Correct match is C. In sixth, B is the answer. Seventh, D is the answer. Eighth, C. Ninth, A. 10th, B. 11th, D. 12th, C. 13th, B. 14th, D. 15th, A is the answer. In second, nodi, the net magnetic moment acquired per unit volume of a sample is called magnetization. Lenz's law gives the polarity of the induced EMF. The base difference between voltage and current in a pure resistive AC circuit is 0 degree. The minimum energy required by an electron to escape from the metal surface is called work function. If the angle of the incidence for a ray of light in denser medium is equal to a critical angle, then the angle of refraction rare medium is equal to 90 degree. ಇನ್ನು ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬಿ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎನಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. Define electric field at a point. What is meant by source charge? Then the electrostatic potential energy of a system of two like charges is positive. Explain. Name the mobile charge carriers in metals. Write the expression for mobility in terms of average collision time for charge carriers. What is the nature of the force between two parallel conductors carrying currents in the same direction and opposite direction? Calculate the magnetic energy stored in a coil of self-inductance. Name the electromagnetic waves used in A and B. List out two differences between P-type and N-type semiconductors. Give any two limitations of Bohr's atomic model. Part C, answer any 5 of the following questions. Then what is capacitor? Mention any two factors on which capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor depend. Then 31st, in a chamber uniform magnetic field of is maintained. ನೋಡಿ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. Mention any three properties of magnetic field lines. Properties of magnetic field lines. ನೋಡಿ, ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. Then 34th question. Thirty-fifth question. Explain the de-Brazil hypothesis of matter waves. 36. Differentiate between nuclear fission and nuclear fusion. Then part D. Answer any three of the following. Derive an expression for active potential at a point due to a point charge. Then 38. Assuming the expression for drift velocity, derive the expression for the conductivity of material. Thirty-ninth. Using Biot-Savart's law. 40th. What is wavefront? Derive Snell's law for a plane wave undergoing refraction using Huygens principle. Then what is half-wave rectifier? Draw a neat labeled circuit diagram and input-output waveforms. Answer any two of the following questions. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳ ಉತ್ತರವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದಂಗಾಯಿತು. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗೋಣ.